Most search a lifetime for love, for a companion. My kids, they changed my life. Darius, Jamal, Dante, Mariah, Jalucia. With you guys by my side, I can do anything. All the sacrifice we made. If I could do it again, where would I begin? All the things I've lost a lot, so I can't look back. One can't move on if they live in the past. Seen enough to know where I ain't trying to go. Just wanna finish up and start booking these shows. Have you ever lost something that meant the most? Multiply by 10, still don't come close. It's more than meets the eye, but most don't see what was in plain sight. And now that's me. Kept me down for a minute, by myself got right. Moved up in the lab, now I got things tight. Still a long road, still so much to come. It's about where you're at, not where you're from. Yeah, I give a lot, but never get in return. Main thing is respect, and respect I've earned. So many things to do with so little time. Keep pushing to the top till victory's mine. Put a lot in what I do, now it's time for show. Yeah, I'm nice with the beats, now check my flow. I may be a little cocky, but that came with time. All the years in this game, still stay on my grind. Don't do what I do, but yet judge my life. Had a lot of hard times, but I was raised to fight. Not too many make it, but you can't give up. Come a time in one's life when enough is enough. Give so much to so many, but that's how we do. Come a time when someone's needing more than you. Most can't see me, cause I fly so high. Everything from my kid to the day I die. My son say I'm the best, that means the world. Then I hear do it daddy for my baby girl. If you can feel my passion, you can understand. Do whatever needs done. That's